are here for West Hardin Middle School 7th and 8th grade open house. We're very excited to see our families come out tonight. We've had a great turnout so far, and so we are just going around and meeting teachers and giving parents the opportunity to talk to their child's teacher for the first time this year. And our plan is to have a second open house later in the year once our teachers get to know the students better and we're able to sit down with our families and talk about how students are doing in the classroom and show them some of the student work as well. Tonight we also have our VEX team here talking with our families and trying to recruit some students that might be interested in VEX robotics. And we also have other clubs and opportunities available to our students, so we're really looking forward to showcasing those and getting our students involved this year. Of opportunities to engage in classes that will give them a little experience in each of the career pathways that are available to them at our high schools. So we're looking forward to a great year with our Laker students, and I encourage every family and every student to reach out and make sure that they're a part of all the opportunities that West Hardin has to provide this year. We're going to have a great year, Lakers.